Dear students, I am Ahmad Noman SADIQ. Today I would like to show how you could expect TFL topographical screen, and I will briefly let you know the division of the screen with buttons on it and their functionality. And here it is. This is the total TFL topographical screen, and this is interactive screen. And these are the buttons or route drawing controls with the help of which you could perform different functions on your topographical route. These are start drawing button, undo button, clear button, brightness button, and home button. And I will let you know the functionality of these route drawing controls in a bit. Now let's see this portion of the screen which is on the left hand side of this screen. This is actually a question window of the screen on which there is always a question with some instructions about how to start and end your route. Please read the question always carefully because there is usually one question with road closed, and it is written here in the question window in the form of note. And remember that TFL will never show you that road on the map. TFL will write it on the question window, and that's it. And you have to locate that road between start and end marker yourself. Now this is the main screen on which you could draw your topographical route, and this is an interactive screen, and you would be able to zoom in and zoom out this screen. Also you would be able to move this screen with the help of your mouse. Then comes this small screen on the right bottom of this topographical screen, and you could jump directly to any question just by clicking the number on this screen. Actually, all question numbers are written in the form of boxes in this screen, and you could scroll this screen up and down, and you could jump to any question you wish to do. But if you are attempting your questions in given order, then when you finish your question, you could press next button to go to the next question. And you have to press this button which is called as next question button in this case. Similarly, you could press the previous question button to go to the previous question in order. And here is the previous question button. Now I will briefly let you know about the functionality of these buttons. Now this is topographical screen, and these are called as route drawing controls or route drawing buttons, with the help of which we can draw and start and end our topographical route. And here is the start point. It is always green marker. It is also called as start drawing marker. Then comes the end point or end drawing marker. It is always red. So the start point or start drawing marker is always green and end drawing marker is always red, and you have to draw your route from green to red. If you draw your route from red to green, you will definitely get 0 marks. And please see, this is home button, and the home button resets the map to the center on the start and end point. And then comes the brightness button, and the brightness button changes the strength of the map. This can be changed to your viewing preferences. Please remember that. And you could adjust your brightness according to your level. And this first button is called as start drawing button. So you have to click the start drawing button to begin plotting your route. And remember that each single click on the map will plot your route. And please also remember that your route should not cut corners, your route should not cut roundabouts, and your route it should actually start and finish at green and red markers. That is, you have to start your route from green and end your route at the red marker. So always remember these instructions. And this is very important instruction, that always click stop drawing button to finish plotting your route. And if you will not press stop drawing route, your route might not be saved, Although TFL has updated their software, but please be careful and always press stop drawing button when you finish plotting your route. And if you want to correct any errors, click undo button to go back to a one step. So this is undo button. If you press this button one time, it will take you one step back. If you press it two times, it will take you steps back, and so on. And remember, you can always zoom in and pan the map whilst drawing to see in the greater details. Dear students, please remember that if you are unhappy with your route, you can click clear button and start again. So here is a clear button. This red button is a clear button. So if you press this clear button, you can start your route again. But this only affects your current route. Remember, it will only affect your current route. But when you press the clear button, there will be a pop-up message and it will make sure that it will ask you clear this route. That is, are you sure to clear this button? Then you have to press this button. Yes, I am sure. Then it will be deleted and you can start your route again from the scratch. Now I will show you how this screen works when you start drawing your route. So first of all, you will see your start and end point. You will read the question and recognize your start point and end point. So in this case, this is your start button, which is green marker, and this is your end point, which is red marker. So first of all, you will press this start drawing button. When you press it like this, the same button will become stop drawing button. Now you can start drawing your route and complete your route. When you do this, like now you have completed, suppose you have completed your route, then you have to press this stop drawing button. When you press this stop drawing button, it will again become start drawing button. Then you will press next button, next question, and go to the next question, or you could jump to any question by clicking any box on this small screen. Now you could come again for editing and do some editing if you wish. So that's the end of today's presentation. Thank you very much.